I am Ashish Shrestha. I am providing hiking updates. Hike from Bugumati to Pharping was very interesting and adventurous. All the hikers were collected from their respective places and we reached Bugumati around 8 am, our starting place for hike. Hiking through the different types of landscapes and farmland was very impressive. After a hike of 2 hours, we reached Pharping hydropower station. We had a break with mini picnic style included. After 30 minutes break or so, we started our hike and reached Pharping Bazaar around 2:30 pm. Then we went to Chaimele Resort, which was 20 minutes away from Pharping Bazaar, to have some brunch. We returned from Chaimele at around 5 pm back to Kathmandu.